Hello viewers, today we are going to teach you how to make a healthy homemade burger. The ingredients are 1 kilogram of medium ground beef, 1 kilogram of lean ground beef, 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 cup of chopped coriander, 1 cup of mint, 8 to 10 pieces of green chili for spice, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, and as much salt as you need. The first step is to put the chopped onions, chopped coriander, chopped mint, and green chili into your blender to chop up. The next step is to take all the ingredients and mix them up. After mixing the ingredients together, let the mix marinate for 30 minutes. After marinating, take a portion of the mix to make the patties. Next, cook them on a grill. After you are done cooking, it's ready to serve.